Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gift cards online with PayPal. So let's get into the video. So if you want to buy gift cards online with your PayPal account, so you can simply use most of these leading marketplaces to buy gift cards. For example, like eBay. I'll just use eBay for in this video. So for example, in eBay, if you log into your account and just search for gift cards, then you will see quite a wide variety of gift cards available out there on their site itself, and you can just choose any one of those. So for example, like something like an Apple gift card, for example. So if you just choose that, and then what you're going to do, you can just select your value, and that's it. And then if you go to buy it now, and then it will take you to this payment page here. So when you get to this checkout page here, so if you want to use your PayPal, you can simply select the PayPal option here. So simply select the PayPal option, and then what you have to do is hit on this pay with PayPal option here. So when you hit on this pay with PayPal option, so this will take you to your PayPal page where you need to authorize this transaction by providing your PayPal login credentials. And then once you have done that, and that's it, hit login, and then just need to confirm the payment, and that's it, your payment will be processed. So you'll be able to purchase using your PayPal. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.